Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Students, hope you have understood the procedure of long division of 3-digit numbers and you have finished your previous assignments. Students, today is the last lesson about division. We are going to discuss question number 17 of your page number 96 today. Your question is divide and write the remainder. After division, you have to write your remainder. Students, as we have already discussed that this number 4 is called the divisor. The number you are going to divide is called the dividend, right? The answer we are going to write at the top of this division symbol, it is called a quotient, and the number we will left with at the end that would be smaller than your divisor, that is known as a remainder. In a 3-digit number, you have places ones, tens, and hundreds. And we always start division from the hundreds place. Now we have to read out the table of 4. Students, I have already told you if your digit is not exactly divisible by your divisor, then you should find out a number that is a multiple of your divisor but smaller than your dividend. But in this case, you can see 4 ones are 4. So I will directly write 1 in the quotient and I will write 4 below this 4. I will write a subtraction sign here and I will draw a straight line. Right? Now 4 minus 4, it's 0. Now with the help of an arrow, I will bring my second digit 7 down. Right? Now again I have to read out the table of 4, but you know 7 is not exactly divisible by 4, right? So I should find out a multiple of 4 that is closer and smaller to 7. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8, but 8 is greater than 7. So I should write a multiple of 4 that is smaller than 7. So that is 4 ones are 4. Again, write a subtraction sign here. Draw a straight line and subtract 7 minus 4. Yes, 7 minus 4 is 3. Now draw an arrow again and finish it before your line, right? And bring your last digit, that is 5, down, right? Now 35, you all know 35 is not exactly divisible by 4, so you should find out a you should find out a multiple of 4 that is closer and smaller than 35. So what would be that? Yes, if you know the table of 4, you can directly say 4 8s are 32 is the multiple of 4 that is smaller and closer to 35, right? A subtraction sign and a straight line. Now subtract 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So what is your quotient and what is your remainder? Right, 118 is your quotient and 3 is your remainder, right? So your question says divide and write the remainder. So after completing your answer, you should write your remainder. You can use its short form that is already given in your question, REM. remainder is equal to 3. This is your answer, right? Let's solve another example. Now your divisor is 5, so we have to read out the table of 5, and first we are going to divide the digit in the hundreds place, that is 7. You know 7 is not exactly divisible by 5, so I should write a multiple of 5 that is smaller than 7. So I will write 5 ones are 5 here. Now a subtraction sign and a straight line. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. See, in this question we were left with 0 and here we are left with 2, right? So we will bring this second digit down. Now our number is 26. Again we have to read out the table of 5, and you all know 26 is not exactly divisible by 5, so I will write a multiple of 5 that is smaller than 26 and closer to 26. So that would be 5 5s are 25. A subtraction sign and a straight line, right? Now 6 minus 5. Yes, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now bring your last digit, that is 4, down. Now we have to divide 14 by 5, and again 14 is not exactly divisible by 5. So I will write a multiple of 5 that is closer and smaller than 14, that is 5 2s are 10, right? Again a subtraction sign and a straight line here. And 4 minus 0, yes, it's 4, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So what's our remainder, students? Yes, our remainder is number 4. So write it at the end because it's the compulsory part. Your question says write the remainder, so you will be awarded marks for this. So your remainder is equal to 4, right? Hope you have understood the procedure, and now you can solve your assigned tasks. I will share the picture of your assignment in the group. Try to solve your sums yourself. If you face any difficulty, you can contact me. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.